A listed raceway exists for running light cords under carpets. It is specifically called a carpet raceway. These raceways are manufactured by various companies. Carpet raceways are typically constructed from either plastic or metal materials. They are produced in a range of sizes and shapes to accommodate different applications. The design of a carpet raceway is such that it is installed beneath the carpet. This installation provides a secure and hidden method for running light cords, protecting them from damage and minimizing trip hazards. The use of carpet raceway ensures the light cord is protected from physical damage caused by foot traffic, furniture movement, or other potential hazards. Proper installation is crucial for maintaining safety and adhering to electrical codes. When selecting a carpet raceway, consider the number and size of the light cords that need to be accommodated. Ensure that the raceway has sufficient capacity to house the cords without overcrowding, which could lead to overheating or damage to the insulation. The material of the raceway should also be selected based on the expected level of wear and tear. Metal raceways offer greater durability and protection in high traffic areas, while plastic raceways may be suitable for lighter use. Installation should follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Typically, this involves securing the raceway to the subfloor or underlayment using appropriate fasteners. The light cords are then placed inside the raceway, ensuring that they are properly aligned and not twisted or kinked. The carpet is then reinstalled over the raceway, concealing the light cords from view. It is important to avoid using nails or screws that could penetrate the raceway and damage the light cords. Regularly inspect the carpet raceway for any signs of damage or wear. Replace the raceway if it becomes cracked, broken, or otherwise compromised. This will help to ensure the continued safety and reliability of the light cord installation. In addition to providing protection and concealment, carpet raceways can also help to improve the overall appearance of a room. By hiding unsightly cords, they can create a cleaner and more organized look. This is particularly beneficial in areas where aesthetics are important, such as living rooms, bedrooms, and offices. Carpet raceways are available in a variety of colors and finishes to match different carpet styles and decor. Some models even feature a low-profile design that minimizes their visibility under the carpet. When choosing a carpet raceway, consider the specific needs of the application and select a model that provides the appropriate level of protection, concealment, and aesthetics. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and adhere to electrical codes to ensure a safe and compliant installation. Ignoring these guidelines can create electrical hazards. Carpet raceways are an excellent solution for concealing and protecting light cords in residential and commercial environments, promoting a safer and more visually appealing space. A safe installation is achieved through careful product selection and proper installation techniques, preventing damage and ensuring code compliance. Regularly inspecting the installed raceway and making timely replacements contribute to the long-term safety and reliability of the electrical system.